Today I'm flying solo here at the very first introduction of Kingbird Place. And today I'm gonna focus on 3 areas that separate this home from the rest. Follow along as I introduce to you this home. So right off the front of the house here, we've got the movie room. And as you can see, originally I thought that this was going to be kind of the theater room, but not a movie theater room, but a performance room where, you know, the kids could hang out right up here and put on plays, but that's not the case. This is going to be a step up here. We're gonna have chairs here, and then the movie will be right there. So this is going to be a really awesome space, but it is going to be a more compact movie room, but nonetheless, a movie room, which is awesome in any home. And now we're moving out of the movie room and into this great room space. Now you do see this great room space here, but this right here, even though it sticks right now, is going to be the kitchen, and then behind me is the living room space. And as you can see, we've got this centered up on the wall here. And so on the right-hand side over here is going to be tall cabinetry. And then over here on the left side is going to be a matching tall cabinet. However, it is going to be a hidden entry into the pantry behind the kitchen. So right here, similar to what you see at Painted Mountain, we're gonna have a hidden pantry behind the kitchen. So looking out of the pantry into the great room, there's gonna be a hidden door. And right here, we're gonna see a nice full pantry at some point. More to come on that. So in today's introduction video, we're only focusing on 3 different spaces. And the reason why is because the movie room is interesting for sure. Also, the pantry behind, that'll be interesting too. But overall, we've just got a bunch of sticks, you know, framing up a house, which is really cool to see, and it's certainly clean. But the thing is that if I show you every single room in this house, it's all gonna look the same. But I wanted to show you and take you to one last space. And this is going to be extremely key and probably the most interesting room that I've seen, and I'm excited to see how it comes to fruition as we progress in the construction process. But I'm showing you it now because it is the most interesting space in this house so far. So follow me. All right, so we're walking into the home office. Now, as you can see, this home office is pretty normal. At least it appears pretty normal. However, in this space right over here, we've got a hidden room that is gonna be pretty spectacular once it's all done. This space right in here is kind of like either a meditation room or a manifestation room, but it's a dome room. This dome room is a place where the homeowner will be able to sit inside of here in this room. And from what I've been told, it's gonna have a like starry ceiling. So maybe it's gonna be like cedar and slate's ceiling with fiber optics up top. But this dome room is going to be a place where the homeowner can sit and process and think through new ideas, dream up all the cool ideas that they have. I don't know. Either way, this space is going to turn out really cool. I'm excited about it. And to be honest with you, I wish that I had a space where I can go and start to think and dream up new ideas. A space that's like kind of, I don't know, could be your dream room. I don't know what to call it, but either way, This space certainly is going to be really cool once it comes to pass. I'm gonna leave you with a little bit of B-roll of this home. Again, it's just sticks, and more to come as we get into drywall and building out this space. All of the details and the textures that are gonna go into it are gonna be awesome. Stick around at Project Kingbird Place, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.